Sure is nice out today. I really needed to get some fresh air. I guess I'll take a seat on the bench and chill out for a while. I should have brought a lunch out here. I'm getting pretty hungry. Oh great. Just my luck. A bum is heading my way. Hello there. Is that seat next to you taken? No, it's not taken. Do you mind if I sit right there? Yeah, sure. I guess. Thank you, my friend. How's your day going so far? Pretty good, I guess. Well, that doesn't sound too reassuring. Whoa, you all right there, buddy? Yeah, man, I'm fine. Just a little cough. I've heard there's some shit going around. Yeah, I think I heard about that shit. Sounds pretty nasty. I'll be alright. I just need to get some food in my system. I'm starving. Yay. It looks like you need something to eat. My club probably weighs more than you. Look dude, I came out here to relax and get some fresh air. I don't need to hear your lame ass jokes right now. So fuck off. Yikes dude. Somebody's hangry. Look dude. Relax. Lighten up a little bit. I'm just having a little fun. Hey. I know you're hungry, so here's a peace offering. My wife made me an extra mushroom sandwich. Here. Take one. It'll make you much better. Thanks. But I'm good. I can hear your stomach growling from here. Come on, man. It's cool, I promise. My wife makes the best mushroom sandwiches. I guessed it wouldn't hurt. Okay, I'll give it a try. But only because I'm hungry as fuck. Here, dude. This will make you feel much better. Thanks, dude. I owe you one. And sorry about being a dick earlier. I'm easily irritated when I'm hungry. No problem, man, I get it. I've been there before. This sandwich is pretty damn good. I think I'm feeling better already. Thanks, dude. Your wife is a good cook. Yup. That's one of the reasons that I married her. I'm very lucky. Oh man, that hit the spot. I feel much better. So what all does she put on these sandwiches? What the fuck? Where did you go? Well, that was weird. At least I can spend the rest of my time in peace before I have to go back to work. Oh, it's so fucking beautiful out here. What the fuck is wrong with me? I can't go back to work like this. I think that homeless motherfucker dosed me. I'm such a dumbass. I'm probably going to get fired. Fuck it. How is that sandwich treating you, buddy? I feel like I'm losing my mind. Oh, quit being a pussy. You're just tripping balls. Son of a bitch.